So it says store multiple values in one variable using JavaScript arrays. With JavaScript array values, you can store several pieces of data in one place. You can start an array declaration with the operator square bracket, end it with a closing bracket, or with a closing square bracket, and put a comma between each entry like this. Okay. Modify the new array myArray so that it contains both a string and a number in that order. So inside the string is put a string which says hi or hello, and then you separate it with a comma and a number, so let's put 10 or 20. Put 20. Let's run it.